I tell them that TikTok and Instagram are largely a waste of your time because the kind of videos that you're making there are the kind that everybody's making, and you don't even have to be a serious professional food business owner to make those kind of videos. So it's really hard to distinguish yourself. But if I asked you how many food business owners do you know have their own full length cooking show, you probably don't know any because it's harder. You're going on YouTube and now you're talking about delivering a full length video, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever the length of the recipe that you're making, and showing up and doing that on a weekly basis. And the number of people doing that is this compared to the number of people that's doing what you're doing on TikTok and Instagram. So
Mm-hmm.
when you embrace YouTube as a marketing platform, you're automatically separating yourself from everybody else. Another reason that YouTube is better is YouTube is the only platform where people go to watch you for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour, whatever. People go to YouTube to watch a video from one person. They don't go there to scroll for 20 minutes and watch 1,000 different videos like they do on Instagram and TikTok. People are
Mm-hmm.
coming to YouTube. Your audience on YouTube is going to be there to see you and not 1,000 other videos. And the other thing, another benefit of YouTube over TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and all the other platforms is YouTube is the biggest video streaming platform. Not Netflix. YouTube is the biggest video streaming platform, and 47% of people watch YouTube on their television. So if you have a cooking show on YouTube, you have a cooking show on TV. YouTube is just another channel on TV for a lot of people. So there are all of these benefits that you get from YouTube. You only have to post on YouTube once a week. One video a week is all YouTube wants from you. And to create that one video a week, the methodology I teach is take one day a month. That's your recording day. You're going to record 4 to 6 episodes. In the beginning, you're probably not going to be able to get that many, but once you get your feet under you as far as making your cooking videos, you'll be able to do 2 or 3 in the morning, take a break, get some, and then in the afternoon come back and do 2 or 3 more. And so now you have 4 to 6 weeks worth of content. That is your social media marketing. You're gonna get those videos edited. So you're not, I heard you mention the video editing. You should not be doing that. Video editing is not a task for the business owner. That is not a CEO task. You will never make money editing videos. It's going to cost you money because there's other things that you should be doing that you're not, because you're wasting time editing videos to produce a lower quality product than if you just paid somebody to do it. They're going to do it faster, do it better, and you have free time to go make money instead of pulling your hair out trying to wrangle a video editing tool. So you're going to record these videos that on your recording day, you're going to hand these off to your video editor who's going to edit these for you and upload them to your YouTube channel and schedule them. And so now you got one video a week from one day a month of your time. You got one video a week coming out. That is your marketing campaign. That is your marketing strategy. Now you're going to direct people. You're not going to tell them, find me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and da da. You're going to tell them, you're sending them to your YouTube channel. That's it. Go to YouTube. And then in the description box of your videos, you can have links to whatever you want to. Well, first of all, on your YouTube channel itself, you can have links. And then in the description box of each video, you can put links to your website and to whatever else you want to put, whatever you're talking about in that particular video. Maybe you launched a new sauce or something, and you put a link to that, whatever. So instead of having all of these different things, find me here, find me there, all your time and energy is focused on YouTube, which is effectively your own TV channel, your own food TV channel. And when you do it that way, it's a lot more efficient with your time. And if you can commit to that over time, can you see how that's going to eventually pay off for you?
Absolutely, it's a much better use of time. Like you can see me nodding. I'm like, yeah, yeah, man. I mean, everything you said. I saw some of the email. I see the emails that you send. And I'll read those. And I said the one that caught my eye was what you just said. Now is that why Instagram is not efficient,
Yeah.
and we're going for likes. And you hit the nail on the head when you said that people go to YouTube to watch somebody change a
Right.
tire, somebody flip a pancake. They watch that person.
Yep.
They don't go and just scroll. Like 100% right. The recording, pick a recording day, like that blew my mind too. Holy moly,
Yeah.
that is really so. This does make sense. It makes a lot of sense, and it's a better use of time. It really is.